Do you know that there are only 15 countries in Africa with the highest IQ levels on average?
What is IQ?
IQ means intelligence quotient. It is a measure of a person's ability to reason.
Okay, number 15.
Number 15 is Zambia. Zambia is a landlocked country found in the southern part of Africa bordering Zimbabwe. They have an IQ level of 79, making them the 15th country in Africa with the highest intelligence quotient.
Number 14.
Number 14 is Kenya. Kenya is an East African country with a coastline in the Indian Ocean. They have an IQ level of 80, making them the 14th country in Africa with the highest intelligence quotient.
Number 13.
Number 13 is Egypt. Egypt is a country linking Northeast Africa to the Middle East. It dates back to the time of Pharaoh. They have an IQ level of 81, making them the 13th country in Africa with the highest intelligence quotient.
Number 12.
Number 12 is Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is a landlocked country in southern Africa. They have an IQ level of 82, making them the 12th country in Africa with the highest intelligence quotient.
Number 11.
Number 11 is Madagascar. Madagascar is an island country lying off the southeastern coast of Africa. They have an IQ level of 82, making them the 11th country in Africa with the highest intelligence quotient.
Number 10.
Number 10 is Tunisia. The Republic of Tunisia is the northernmost country in Africa. They have an IQ level of 83, making them the 10th country in Africa with the highest intelligence quotient.
Number 9.
Number 9 is Libya. The state of Libya is a country in the Maghreb region in the north of Africa. They have an IQ level of 83, making them the 9th country with the highest intelligence quotient in Africa.
Number 8.
Number 8 is Algeria. Algeria is a North African country with a Mediterranean coastline and Sahara Desert interior. They have an IQ level of 83, making them the 8th country in Africa with the highest intelligence quotient.
Number 7.
Number 7 is Uganda. Uganda is a landlocked country in East Africa with diverse landscape like the snow-capped Rwenzori Mountains and immense Lake Victoria. They have an IQ level of 84, making them the 7th highest country in Africa with the highest intelligence quotient.
Number 6.
Number 6 is Nigeria. Nigeria is an African country on the Gulf of Guinea. They have natural landmarks and wildlife reserves. They have an IQ level of 84, making them the 6th country in Africa with the highest intelligence quotient.
Number 5.
Number 5 is Morocco. Morocco is a North African country bordering the Mediterranean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean. They have an IQ level of 84, making them the 5th country in Africa with the highest intelligence quotient.
Number 4.
Number 4 is Eritrea. Eritrea is the Northeast African country on the Red Sea coast. They have an IQ level of 85, making them the 4th country in Africa with the highest intelligence quotient.
Number 3.
Number 3 is Seychelles. Seychelles is an archipelago of 115 islands in the Indian Ocean of East Africa. They have an IQ of 86, making them the 3rd country in Africa with the highest intelligence quotient.
Number 2.
Number 2 is Mauritius. Mauritius is an Indian Ocean island nation known for its lagoons, beaches and reefs. They have an IQ level of 89, making them the 2nd country in Africa with the highest intelligence quotient.
Number 1.
Number 1 is none other than Sierra Leone. Sierra Leone is a West African country on the Atlantic Ocean, known for its white sand beaches. They have an IQ level of 91, making them the best country in Africa with the highest intelligence quotient.
Sierra Leoneans, what do you people eat?
You should eat what Sierra Leoneans eat. And we sign out.